My strategy will be pretty simple and straightforward, but before we get into that, let me tell you why dropshipping on X. And there are three main reasons why I think X will become one of the big four in 2025. The first reason is the platform itself. Since Elon bought Twitter, he has completely rebranded the platform, and that was not just changing the logo. He has also introduced a bunch of new features like Grok, community notes, X Premium, and the most important one, free speech. And due to these changes, X has gained a lot of attention all around the world and has become the #1 news source on the planet. This gives us a completely new user base which is unsaturated, and that alone is an incredible opportunity, especially for new dropshippers. The second reason is the cost per click on the platform. X is now by far the cheapest platform to advertise on, with only 38 cents per click. I mean, X is now less than half the price of both Facebook and TikTok, and 9 times cheaper than Instagram. And this low cost per click is due to completely other reasons compared to other platforms. For example, TikTok is a lot cheaper than Instagram because of the low attention span of its users. But unlike Instagram, X's user base has a really high attention span, so why is X so cheap then? Well, one of the reasons is that when Elon bought the company, advertisers have boycotted X due to his free speech policies, which of course affected the CPC. Another reason is because Elon also fired about 80% of the staff, which lowered the cost per click on the platform. Now, the third reason why I think X will become one of the big four is the incentives they offer to all advertisers. Not long ago, until the end of 2024, X has launched an incentive which was offering you $500 in ad credit for free when spending $250 on X ads. That is 3 times the amount you spent, which would allow you to test products essentially for free. Now, that offer has ended, so X has given us an even better incentive in my view, which is related to the verified organization badge. It will essentially let everyone know that you are indeed a legit company, which will exponentially increase your conversion rate. And all of that comes at the cost of $191.58 a month billed annually, but that also gives you 2,500 ad credits for free, so you are basically receiving all the benefits of the gold badge as a bonus. But if you do not want to pay all at once, or you would simply like to test your product, you can tap here on the monthly plans. Now, if you want to see a video where I test the product from start to finish using this incentive, I will post that once this video reaches 500 likes, so like this video and don't forget to subscribe so that you'll be the first one to see it when it gets out. Given these points, here's how you can apply them to this new strategy. The first step is finding your winning product which matches a new criteria. We all know that your product must solve a problem, have a wow factor, and or be desired by the market. But when advertising on X, your product must also be desired by an audience older than 18 years old. And that is simply because over 95% of the users on this platform are actually above 18. If you want to see a video where I give you my top 10 products to sell on X, you can find the link inside the description. And now the second step is your ad creative. Now, here is where it gets a little tricky. Unlike other platforms, X is for the most part a text-based platform. Now, I'm not saying that you shouldn't use videos or that you should use a simple text image campaign. What I'm saying is that it would be ideal to include enough writing on how your product can solve their problem. But the text is not everything, of course. Your ad creative must be excellent. I also recommend having at least 3 different ad variations for your campaign in order to select the best performing one. The users on this platform tend to have a higher critical thinking than on other platforms, therefore your ad campaign must be professional and trustworthy. And that brings us to step number 3, which is the verified organization badge. Now, there are 2 options I recommend for testing your product, which is either the 229.90 euro plan or the 1149.50 a month. The first plan will allow you to gain access to many things, but what we are looking for here is the verified golden badge and the free ad credits you receive when purchasing either. Whether you are going to choose the first or the second option, it is up to you. I recommend them both. The step number 4 is creating your store. Not only your store must be well structured and designed, but in order to boost your credibility, there are certain aspects that must be achieved. For your product page, your product images must be high quality and high resolution. Simply downloading your images off of AliExpress won't do the trick unless they are truly usable. If they are a bit blurry or you need some improvement, you can simply use Canva in order to fix that. Regarding discounts on your store, I highly recommend avoiding any huge discounts like 50% off or 70% off or anything like that. So if you want to use a discount, add something like 6%, 16% or 19%. These numbers are likely to be perceived as a genuine discount, or you can just simply not give any discount at all. And the step number 5 is launching your ad campaign. And here it all depends on which of the two plans you chose. For the first plan, you will receive a golden badge and $200 in ad credit, which is far more than enough to test your product and potentially be profitable. In the case where your product is not profitable, you must either improve your store or your ad campaign or simply try a different product. And if it turns out that your product is a winner, X offers this incentive which gives you $3,000 in ad credit for free after spending an equal amount. So if you are scaling your store to that point, the odds are that you will likely be profitable. And if you want to be up to date to every incentive X has to offer, make sure to subscribe to this channel as I will be covering all of these once they come out. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you have any other questions, you can find me right here at this handle on both X and Instagram. Once again, subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you guys in the next video.